Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we got the same 2004 Toyota Corolla and customer states they don't have a good airflow in their car, right? On number 1 and number 2, very less air is coming in the car. So we're gonna check the airflow. So upon checking we find out that the customer don't know when the last time they changed the cabin air filter. So we're gonna pull it out and going to change the cabin air filter. So let me show you how to change it. So basically the cabin air filter is located inside the glove box, which is on the passenger side. So let me show you. So here's the car. You can just press that one inside like this, and that one like this. You can pull it. So that's your motor, and that's the location of your cabin air filter. Hope you guys can see. To open this up, there are two clips. You can see one, and another one is that side. Just push them, and you can pull it out, and the white thing you can see, that's your air filter. Let's see the condition. See, it's already so much choked. So we already got the new one and we're gonna replace it. Make sure guys you replace every 20,000 kilometers, right? So just keep an eye, because customer also states that they get a foul smell in their car. They put freshener but they can't get rid of the foul smell. So make sure you guys change it. It's fully clogged. So that's the filter, we got it for our car. So let's change it. Just open it. And that filter also comes with the instructions. If you don't know, right, you can read that instructions to remove it and how to replace it. So it shows step by step, right? And it says follow arrow is pointing down. So you have that one. So airflow arrow pointing down. So you can just insert it. When you are inserting, make sure it goes properly till the end, because otherwise you're gonna bend that filter and it will get choke again. Make sure it fits properly. Once you are done, you can put that flap back and put your glove box again back here. And yeah, that's pretty much simple. That's how you can change your air filter, cabin air filter, and let's see the airflow now. Yeah, it's pretty good now. So make sure to check your filter on time and replace it whenever you think, oh, your car doesn't have a good airflow. Just check your air filter. I hope that helps, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.